day, Ma'am Moira. I am Kaysil Kaha, and I'm going to read my essay about agricultural application of alkanes and alkenes. Agricultural application is a broad term that encompasses the various of technologies, practices, and materials within the field of agriculture. In terms of agricultural application of alkanes and alkenes play significant roles in various agricultural applications, though their use comes with environmental concerns that need careful consideration. One of the use of alkanes is fuel for farm machinery. Alkanes are like the fuel that makes farm machines go. Tractors, combines, and other big machines that help farmers work the land need alkanes found in gasoline and diesel to run. So alkanes are super important for farmers to get their work done efficiently. Application of alkenes. We know that alkenes are a type of hydrocarbon, which means they are molecules made of only carbon and hydrogen atoms. Also, alkenes is primarily as building blocks for synthesizing various agricultural chemicals like pesticides, fertilizers, and bioplastics. In pesticides, alkenes are used to create pesticides that help control pests and insects that can damage crops. This helps farmers minimize crop losses and improve yields. Fertilizers. Alkenes are used to make fertilizers that help plants grow bigger and stronger. It's like giving plants extra food. But if you give plants too much fertilizers, it can be bad for the environment. It can pollute the water and make the soil unhealthy. The future of farming looks promising as we work toward using alkenes and alkanes in ways that benefit agriculture without harming the environment. By exploring renewable resources for alkenes, developing eco-friendly pesticides and fertilizers, and promoting sustainable farming practices, we can ensure a clean agricultural sector while safeguarding our planet for the future.